In this short video about GenoSurf, I will explain to you how to combine results from the data search part with the results from the key value search part. Let's suppose we search data for a lung adenocarcinoma with follow-up treatment which was a success and we only want healthy samples. We have already selected for you the TCGA program, the GRCH38 assembly and the disease lung adenocarcinoma. So now we want information about the follow-up treatment. We type treatment, and among the result we get the follow-up treatment success, which has 4 different values. We need the complete remission response that we select and apply. The search is saved in this panel. The filter is indeed applied to the upper part of the query, as we can see. For example, we want only the healthy samples. Now we found 565 items. In case we need to visualize the query performed in the first part, it's here. Whatever we selected in the second part is here.